everyone, this is Bella from Shantou Jinbao Prestige Industry Company Limited. We are a lunchbox manufacturer. Today, I would like to share our new lunchboxes for you. We have different compartments of them, 2 compartments, 3 compartments, and 4 compartments. And each compartment has 2 colors, the pink color and the green color. Let's introduce one of them for you. The lunchbox lid is made of ABS material, which the lid is hard. And you can customize your logo and pattern on the lid. The lunchbox has 4 latches. The latches are easy to be opened and closed. Let's open the lunchbox. There is a silicone ring for leak-proof. The silicone ring can be removed for cleaning. This one has 3 grids. The inner 304 stainless steel bowl can be removable. And here there is a space for keeping spoon and fork. The cutlery is PP material. And this part can be taken out. And this bottom part is also made from PP material. Its package is cloth bag package. Here is our logo, and here is the slogan. You can also customize yours. The bag has a handle, 2 zippers, and an outer pocket here. Let's open the cloth bag. It is an insulated cloth bag. It uses the insulation foam in the middle of the fabric, which can keep food hot in a short time. And it also has an inner pocket here for keeping something. This is our entire introduction of our lunchbox. If you are interested in them, please kindly click our homepage information to contact us. We would like to share you more information. Bye bye!